Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are well. So, today this video is for class 5th and subject is English grammar. Students, in my last video, I have told you about the use of a and the use of articles. So, today we will do exercise 1. Okay, today we will do exercise 1. So see, here is some exercise, some questions. In your board examination, there would be a question regarding A and D. You have to fill A and D. The question would be like this: fill in the blanks with the suitable articles A and D. It means you have to fill one of the article from A and D. Like this. Number 1, it was pleasant morning. Now how you will fill? That is your question. Okay. Now we will check out this word. What is this word? It's a pleasant. And I have already told you the rules of using A and D. I have told you now. So, according to that rules, fill any one of them, A and D. Beta, see, if we fill D here, T-H-E-D, the pleasant morning, but we are not talking about any special one morning. We are simply talking about a morning. If we put A, it will be correct. We put A here. If we put N, it will be also wrong. Okay? Why it will be wrong? Because the sound of this word is consonant. And we use A before the word which gives sound consonant. And second, they went to the park. They saw many people in park. Yes, guys, I have told you one rule. If we already mention the thing, if we already mention the place, if we already mention the person, then we use the before the word, such as यहाँ देखो, they went to park. हम जिस पार्क के बारे में पहले से मेंशन कर चुके हैं, they went to park. वे पार्क में गए. They saw many people in. किस पार्क की बात हो रही है? जिस पार्क में वो गए थे. It means the park has already mentioned. पार्क के बारे में ऑलरेडी हम बता चुके हैं. Which article will come? Yes, correct. D. Why D will come here? I hope you understand well. By exercise, we can understand more. Is that clear to you? Now, third one. The teacher started listing steps of pranayam. Step of pranayam. Yes, tell me. What is come here? D. Because the steps of pranayam are fixed. प्राणायाम के जो स्टेप हैं वो ऑलरेडी फिक्स्ड हैं. So we will use the before the steps. Is that clear? Now fourth one is pranayam should be done on. Yes. Now see the word. What is the word? And what does it sound? Sound empty, 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 empty. Are you getting me? It sound vowel sound. So N will come here. Is that clear, students? Okay. You can do it in. You can do it in what? Yes, tell me. In the evening. You can do it in the Is that clear? Now press right nostrils with thumb. It is already mentioned. Right, special one, nostril. What will come? The. Now press the right nostrils. Right special बना दिया ना, right को. अगर left भी होता है तो भी special हो जाता है. Speciality के बारे में बात कर ली तो क्या आएगा? D आएगा. Is that clear? What are the benefits? Plural है, A और N तो आएंगे ही नहीं क्योंकि A और N singularity को show करते हैं, singular noun को show करते हैं. What will come? D. What will come बेटा? D. This is indeed inspiring. E से शुरू हो रहा है, sound is inspiring. What will come? An inspiring song. Now see the last one. Draw a rainbow. अब आप कहोगे मैम रेनबो तो स्पेशल होता है. Yes, it is special one, but now we are talking about a picture. Can you draw in the sky? You can't. So we are talking about a picture of rainbow. So A will